if I want to go and, let's say I wanted to show a video to my students from YouTube or from Vimeo or SchoolTube or whatever you use here, here's how you do it. Material, there's a little plus sign. I know I'm kind of in the way, but there's a plus sign. All right, what do you want to give the kids? By the way, it's not just videos. You can bring in any picture, a PDF. If you already have PDFs that you've created, you upload the PDF and give it to the kids on their devices. But hey, I have a video I want. So I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to look up Animusic, which is one of my favorites. Pipe Dream, right? I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to go back to MusicFirst Junior and I'm going to say I want to share a video with my students. What is the video? Paste, Animusic, Pipe Dreams, right? Done. So now I can say, on this specific day, here's the video I'd like you to see. And again, totally safe environment for the kids to watch it. If I go to my Anytime cloud and pick up Animusic and drag it in and let go, now anytime the kids come to open their devices, they can see that video. Think about all the videos you've made of your students performing or anything like that. You can upload them and they're all in this one easy space for the kids to find.